Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Here in this video, we'll discuss how we can download and install Oracle Java JDK on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. So that's been said, let's get started. If you want to use Oracle version of Java, then you can simply download the Oracle Java JDK from the official website. For that, simply open the browser on your Ubuntu system and search for Java JDK and open the link from oracle.com. Don't worry about the download link. I'll provide the download link in the description box. So this is the official website from where you can download the Oracle Java version. So Java JDK 22 is the latest version of Java Development Kit. Now to download for Ubuntu operating system, simply click on this Linux tab and here you will find different download option. Simply download x64 Debian package file. For that, simply click on this download link and wait for the download process to complete. Once you have downloaded the Oracle Java JDK, simply close the browser. Now to install it, you have to use the terminal. To open the terminal, simply press Ctrl-Alt-T and it will open the terminal application. Here you have to run some command. First of all, you have to change the root directory to download folder. For that, simply type cd stands for change directory to downloads / then hit the enter key and it will change the root directory to downloads. Now to view all the files present in download folder, simply type ls, then press the enter key and here you can see here we have our Oracle Java JDK installer file. Now to install it, you can simply run sudo space dpkg space -i space and type the Java installer file name, that is jdk-22 underscore linux -x64 underscore bin.dev. Then press the enter key. Now enter your Ubuntu system password, then press the enter key. Now wait for the installation process to complete. Once you have installed the Oracle version of Java JDK, simply close the terminal application and restart your system. For that, simply click on this power icon. Now click on power button and here simply click on restart. After that, open the terminal application and here simply write one simple command to check whether Java has been installed or not. For that, simply type java space -- version and press the enter key. And here you will find all the information about your Java version. So we have installed Java JDK 22 and here we have the Java SE runtime environment build number and Java hotspot 64-bit server VM build number. So we have successfully installed Oracle Java JDK on Ubuntu. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.